One is a introduction to the VB function part 1. So this is we see this our function argument. So we have to represent the function. Function are similar to the normal procedure, but the main purpose of the function is to accept the starting input and pass them to the main program to finish the execution. So that we have to function standard format. So in the main program you can bring the function and calculate and then process and then you put the return the value to the main program. So this is the function. The two types of function, the built-in function or internet function, and the functions are created by the programmer. The two kinds of function included for the VB program. The built-in function are already included in the program, and the function created by programmer. The program need to create a function. The general format of function is function name and in the bracket argument. So this is the general format. When the argument of value that are passed to the function, so the arguments of value to be passed to the function. So for this reason, you have to use a very useful internet function. Message box. Message box is an input box. Message box and input box are important to take out to take the function and to notify the user when the function is coming out. So firstly, we talk about the message box function. The object of the message box is to produce a message box and prompt the user to click on the command button before he can continue. So this is the message box function. Message box means if we will be coming out and there's ask the user to make the selection, and the user have to click something, and then they will proceed. The message box format is written that way: your message equal to message box in the bracket comma style value comma title. So this is your message box comma. In the first argument, prompt will display the message in the message box. The style value will determine the what type of command buttons appear on the message box. And then we have to see the tables are 10.1. 10.1 is the types of the command button display, and title argument will display the title of the message box. For the style value, 0 is a VB OK only. So that way the button display OK button. 1 with the VB OK cancel, OK and the cancel button. And the 2 with the VB abort retry ignore. So abort retry and ignore buttons. 3 with the VB yes no cancel, yes no and the cancel buttons. 4 with the VB yes no, yes and the no buttons, and the 5 with the VB retry cancel, retry and the cancel buttons. So those are the 5 values. And now to go out of the problem, the function problem. Function also in the cuckoo no to check that bonani today. Bioma check low baby on main program don't be today. The function also in the music. The VB program are very too much and then look at the function period now to go down program may be or year function to see it. The function format of blue seamlessly. Function name, when them argument. Arguments are below longly. Now a function name below longness rowley. The argument will function both on a yam today. At the level 8 function is able to be out to no, the function to cook line to like Martin. I will find you to like be a BBM. The Jew don't let you a BBM. Don't let you a BM, don't let you Mayame, maybe a palo mess or set you to Mayame. Hello, don't let you instruction or set you will drag out in a message powerful, no, BB program, Toby will load it. A message power, Toby will have a blue, no. Saying that's not yamless or program and yamless. Your message equal to MSC box, Queen them up from comma style value comma title as well on the yam. The drama argument in a pro out of balance in the message power, no, Popiame. Popiame style value up below net for Popiamale. No, Elapime. A blue bonnet Popiamla to do okay, net Popiamla, retry for my yes, no, net Popiamla, hello, style value Popiame. And now some shadow power, they do. No, the message box no title argument hello boame. Now hello no message box ma point boama ဖြစ်တယ်။ဒါကြောင့်မလို့တော့ style value ကဘလို့ပုံစံနဲ့ message ပေါ်မလဲဆိုရင် style value 0ဒီ VB OK only ဒါတော့ OK button အနေနဲ့ပေါ်လာမယ်။ style value 1ဆိုရင်တော့ VB OK cancel လို့ OK နဲ့ cancel button အနေနဲ့ပေါ်မယ်။2ဆိုရင်တော့ VB abort retry ignore abort comma retry and ignore button အနေနဲ့ပေါ်မယ်။ style value 3 so now VB yes no cancel ပေါ်မယ် yes တော့မဟုတ် no ကို cancel button နဲ့ပေါ်မယ်4မှာကျတော့ VB yes no yes တော့မဟုတ် no button နဲ့ပေါ်မယ်5မှာကျတော့ VB retry cancel retry နဲ့ cancel button နဲ့ပေါ်မယ်အဲ့ဒါပါလို့ဆိုရင် message box မှာပေါ်လာမဲ့ပုံစံတွေဖြစ်ကြတယ်